When it comes to griddle cooking basics, one recipe for beginners is to learn how to griddle ground beef. Now, I have other recipe videos to show you how to griddle burgers, but this one is specifically how to grill up some chopped ground beef that you could add to tacos or something like my cheeseburger wraps that I just posted the other day. So here's how to griddle ground beef. Heat up one burner to medium heat. You only need one burner for about every pound of beef. Melt some oil and butter and spread it all over the hot cooktop. Then add the ground beef and break it apart with a spatula over a few minutes. And while it is still pink, you want to season it up with some garlic, salt, and pepper as desired. Brown the beef, flipping it regularly and continuing to chop it up into small taco size appropriate ground beef bits for about 10 minutes until no pink remains and it is completely cooked. Use this in tacos, burritos, burger bowls, or however you'd like in your favorite griddle recipes. I have more yummy things coming for you soon and an archive of other griddled recipes here on SipBiteGo. Check them out.